Pick the wrong laser welder and you'll either overspend on watts you never touch or buy short and choke your production. Hey, how's it going everyone? Ron here from Tooling Around, presented by Pioneer Machine Sales. This week we're breaking down the full IPG LightWELD lineup so you can match the right machine to your work. IPG is a leader in fiber laser technology. Their machines are built in the USA. They make their own laser sources, and they're known for durability and reliability in production. The LightWELD 1000 is your entry point, running 1000 watts of power and handling mild steel and stainless up to around 3 millimeters and aluminum up to around 2 millimeters. Good fit for thin material work, sheet metal shops, or anyone replacing TIG on lighter applications. Next is the LightWELD 1500. The workhorse and the most common machine we place. You've got 1500 watts of average power with higher peak output, handling steel, stainless, and aluminum up to around 4 millimeters, and galvanized steel up to around 3 millimeters. You get more penetration, faster travel speeds, and flexibility across a wide mix of jobs. Then you've got the LightWELD 2000 XR, built for production. 2000 watts of power delivers deep penetration and higher throughput, with steel up to around 5 to 6 millimeters and stainless and aluminum up to around 5 millimeters. If welding is bottlenecking your shop, this is where that opens up. The process advantages apply across the entire lineup regardless of wattage. Laser welding gives you focused heat input, less distortion, faster weld speeds, and significantly less cleanup. So the finishing side saves you as much time as the weld itself. Now we're covering laser versus TIG in a future video, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Visit pioneerlaserwelding.com for all your fabrication and welding needs.